What's up, dude? This is Nir from NoviSign, and today I'm going to present you our planogram. That means NoviSign system is integrated with a planogram. This is our planogram, and this is what I'm going to show you here. We have 1, 2, 3 shelf displays. We also call them e-shelves. Now, each one of them is showing you some content. It can be a commercial, can be anything. We just decided to put the same video on all of them. We can do whatever we want. And what you see here, these are soft labels, all right? Every product has its own soft label. That means you can see the product name, you can see the price, you can see the barcode, and you can see other information related to that product. And the nice thing is that all these soft labels, which you see here, are being taken from our database. All right? Everything is being taken from the database, and everything is being managed by a planogram system. And I'm going to show you how this planogram works, how I'm going to make a change here, and then I'm going to do that in the planogram, and then you're going to see how it's being reflected on these shelves. So let's do this. Let's decide, all right, let's imagine that I'm a customer and this is a supermarket, and I decided to come and buy this product which is called Barefoot Bubbly Brut. All right, I like this kind of liquor. All right, I decided to pick up those two. And now I have an empty slot. And let's say I decided that in this empty slot I'm going to put this one which is called Rufino Rosé. All right, so now I'm supposed to have the soft label for the Rufino Rosé here, which I already have, and I would like to have it also here, the Rufino Rosé. So I need to change that in the planogram. Once I make the change in the planogram, you will see that being changed to Rufino Rosé. And this is where the magic happens. Now, let's go to the planogram system. This is our planogram system. It's on the web, on the cloud, exactly like our online studio, our CMS. And you can do several things. You can actually zoom out, or you can also zoom in, whatever you want. Now, you can also change the measurements and properties of the planogram itself, such as the measurements, dimensions of the shelves or the whole planogram. You can also change, for example, the color. Let's change the color. There it is. Now, in this particular planogram, you have 3 shelves. Each one has 4 products, like you see here. And on the left, you see this is the product beam. That means this is where it's a kind of repository where I have all the products which I can actually drag into this planogram. You can see them here. And let's go, for example, to this one, so I can see all the properties of this particular product, which is this one, the gin beam. So I can see the dimensions and other values as well. So in this case, what we decided to do was to remove this one, the Brut. So I just mark it. You can see the blue outline, and I press the delete button, and now it's empty. Now the next thing I can do, for example, I can drag this one over here. While dragging, you can see that there's a red outline, which means that I can drag it into a certain spot. Only when I see the red outline, it means I can drag it. And if I'd like to add another one, I can actually drag it from here. You can see the red outline. And now I have 2 products of the same type over here. The last thing I need to do is to save. So I'm saving my changes. And now, within a minute, it's going to be reflected on the real e-shelves in our showroom. Let's go see the outcome. Look, now it's being updated. Now we have the 2 Rufino Rosé little bottles. And now when we look at the shelf display, let's wait for the commercial to over. But by the way, you can remove that totally and you can make it shorter. But now you can see that we have it twice. Rufino Rosé Sparkling. Here and here, same product. Very simple, just by drag and drop and save. So, cheers. Okay, if you like this video, if you like our products, if you want to learn more about e-shelves, about Planogram, about everything which has to do with retail and digital signage, please visit our website www.novisign.com. This is Nir from NoviSign, signing out.